Oh, hello, Mrs. Edwards. Where are you travelling today?
Well, I don't know. The grandkids are up to something. I'm passing you over to Thomas.
So, you're arranging a surprise trip for your nana? It's a fantastic idea. Have you got a pencil? I'll tell you how to get there.
We're not just here for the emergencies. At Travelline Cymru, we can help you plan any sort of journey. From a last-minute trip to the shops to a birthday surprise for a loved one. Just give us a call. Don't unravel when you travel. Call Travelline.